Hello trader, welcome back to another gold analysis. As NFP coming later this week, today also there is a very high impact news on dollar that definitely will have an impact on gold. And as a result, we see that in this London session, gold started to bounce. So let's see where we can find trading opportunity. I will be analyzing from day trading perspective. First, let's quickly look at the multi-time frame to see overall picture in the market. As monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you clear direction, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now, if we look at the monthly price action, we can see that this is the first week of the month, and previous monthly candle is a long wick at the bottom, healthy body, and also there is wick at the top. So this top wick on the monthly is representing potential pullback. So it's an uptrending market. We have seen significant bounce pullback, and the price will try to now long-term perspective will try to retest the monthly resistance, and even possibly we could see new higher high at the end of the month. At the same time, we can see the price initially has come down for a pullback. Now, this is the previous monthly low, and also this is the previous monthly high. So far, the price still didn't retest that important previous resistance, which is turning support. In most cases, we could see potentially the market even breaks below before it bounce back up for another higher high. So there is still probability for gold to come down for a retest, or it may even not and may continue to rise to create a new higher high. That we will be looking to see lower time frame which one will be potentially playing out. So if we look at the weekly chart, we can see a little clearer picture. We can see past week there is a narrow red candle that has a long wick at the top and bottom. And if we look at, this is the weekly resistance where there are two weekly candles open and closed. Therefore, what we could see later this week for the market to retest and then to revert back again, or we could see complete bounce for another new higher high. So we have two probability at the moment. One is to reject from this level, the other one is to bounce. Let's see the daily price action to see where we can predict. Now, daily price action, as we expected in yesterday's analysis, I would highly recommend to review it. As I have discussed in that analysis, that gold may drop to the daily 20 EMA, and it did that. So far it's nearing there. Today we have seen that after reaching that level, the buyers again buying. So whenever the market coming in this zone nearing to this 20 EMA, we see that long week candles is a signal. Then there are a lot of buyers in that area, and with that zone, as the buyers are buying from that zone, the price may remain long term picture bullish on gold. Now this is the daily price action. Previous daily high is at 2507.43, and we could see that gold either breaking that high where also the weekly resistance, and I think that we might find a good opportunity from those level for potential short. If in case gold is not being able to break this daily high, instead coming down with the news, in that case we might see a complete breakdown to this 20 EMA before it reverting back to the upside. So I will be looking at now 15-minute chart to see how the market is evolving. Now this is the last session where we can see on London session starting. We have seen there is a significant bounce here, and in this bounce the price is now approaching this high, which is an important resistance level. And also we can see there is another liquidity zone. So these are levels that we might see gold now going up to retest and then reverting back to the upside. At the moment, the price already from the daily overextended. I will be looking for potential selling opportunity on gold, as the probability for gold on the lower time frame from day trading perspective is bearish. On the other hand, if we see that gold is not showing a very strong bearish price action as per the strategy rules, if we see gold has candle closed above with a very strong momentum, retested this zone and showing again bullish pattern, we might look for potential bullish. but for me, I think it's less likely that today gold will be able to be strongly bullish. Rather, we could see again another potential breakdown. So this is the plan for gold. Let's see how the market is doing. I will be also updating traders to you in the live session. I would recommend you to also join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for more updated education like this. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.